So test automation lifecycle, you have to understand this. It goes with the software development lifecycle. Of course, it is not anything out of the box. Of course, you have to plan things out, estimate your work. Okay, no bullshit around. We like any of this. Understand your work, ask the right question, and the plan your work. Plan means estimation. Okay, do not say the out of the box estimation. If something takes 3 hours, just say 3 hours or 3 hours 20 minutes. So estimation and the planning is important. Before the estimation, understanding, asking the question, make sure you can do it. Design and development, well, we already talked about it. Download the VS Code, install and download the Node.js, npm package installation, test it out, boom. Now we're going to develop it. Execution, well, that's you do it. We'll be doing it today. Maintenance is easy. Why? Because the moment the business change the API, right, user story, backend developer need to change the API endpoint or create the new API, something. So now you need to change it. And the review and evaluation. Continue review and evaluation your test. Make sure test is up to the standard. Add the new features, right? Add the new flow and the design the mobile app flow, design the desktop app flow, design the web, the front end flow, design the admin flow, right? Design the feature flow. Do all kinds of automation, right? Man, I can go 24 hours how to design all this shit, right? But everything comes once you know how the application works. If we do the automate for the vehicle room, right? It can take 2 months, like to designing, and you will be surprised how many things we are doing it. But all these things come when you understand the application, user story, features very well, and you can the mind mapping the flow. All right, so hey, always be adaptable. If you do the automation, don't be arrogant, don't be ignorant. You will be receiving a lot of feedback. You need to understand how the integration work. You need to understand how the internal integration work, how the external integration work. Why? The moment the automation fail, nobody is going to debug for you. You have to debug. You have to identify why it failed. You have to reach out to the other people. You have to set up a meeting. You have to communicate. If you are thinking your automation is done, your game, you are making a big mistake. And that comes your understanding the manual flow very well. Okay. In case if you do not understand the manual flow, your automation will not be working at all, because you are not able to identify your automation failure. You are not able to identify your automation enhancement. So please, before you talk about the automation, you talk about the entire story, right? And then the whoever is listening your story, they will understand that your focus is balanced. Okay. All right.